back to Morant's Rants. Plenty of good information, no financial advice, a little bit of motivation. Usually we follow the stock market here on this channel. But I was asked by a couple of people, hey, Morantz, can you give us advice on credit? How to build our credit, how to get ready for the MOAS? And obviously I can, I come from that world. So I'm going to give you some small steps on how to get there, guys. First, if you ever want to increase your credit score, if you ever want to go from like a 500 to a 700, it's going to take you anywhere from 6 months to a year. I know some people give you this, hey, you can get it in 3 months and you can get up 100 points, which you can. Just follow the steps that I'm doing. You can get from 500 to 800 in 1 year, no problem. Just watch, okay? Here's the steps. First, find out your score. You got to find it out. So you got to download a couple of apps and it's going to give you the score. You don't need the whole report. You just want to see where you're at and we'll go from there. Okay, and you will get the whole report if you download the correct apps. There's Credit Sesame, Credit Karma, and of course, the most important one, Experian. Now, when you download these apps, you put in all your information. Do not be afraid to put in your information. They got to know who you are. Then the next step you want to do is you want to connect your bank account to those apps. Well, one in particular, Experian. Experian is going to ask you to log into your bank account from the app. It is completely safe. Go ahead and do it. Not financial advice. It's just what I've done, right? So I hook up to Experian. They now do what they call an Experian Boost. So any payments that you make routinely through your bank account or with your debit card, however you pay, they're going to find it within 3 months in a row. If you've made a payment to your electric bill, your phone bill, Netflix, everything can get added onto your credit report and you'll get credit for it. It will give you a boost. I've seen people boost 3 points. I've seen people boost 120 points, but that's instant. So that's the first step. The next step you can do, look around and see who's going to qualify you for a secured credit card. Now, secured credit cards are not always guaranteed. I don't care if you put a deposit down. Some can deny you, but in this case, we're going to use two, for example. The first one, guys, Open Sky Visa. This is the one that I look at that's the easiest one to get. They won't deny you, and it's $300. So if you put in $300, you're going to have an actual secured credit card of $300. Just make the payments. Now, listen. These guys telling you you need to float 30%. You don't need to float 30% of your debt on that credit card. No, keep it anywhere from 0 to 9%. I'd rather you keep it at 0. If you have 0, it's great for you. It does not hurt you whatsoever because you have something else going for you. It's called Self. There's an app out there called Self. A lot of people know what it is. It is a CD that you open up, but to yourself. You actually pay yourself the money. Yes, they keep the interest on the payments you make to yourself, but you can set it up for 24 months, 18 months, 1 year. You get to pick how much you want to put in there. It could be $30, $40, $50, or even all the way up to $150. However much you want to pay yourself back, you're collecting that money. It's like a savings account. You just keep paying yourself every month. As you pay yourself into a separate savings account, this account they keep for you, you actually are paying it and they report it to the credit bureaus, all three. So now you're showing payments on to your credit report and it goes perfect for you. You have the Boost, you have the Self, and you have the other credit card. This can all happen within 1 month right now when you start. Now, Self gives you the option after you make 3 payments to yourself. They give you the option to get a credit card and for their company. And it's called the Self credit card. And I have it here on the screen. You guys can see it. It's Self Visa. Guys, you're just going to pay yourself back. You can increase the limit on that credit card every time you make a payment to yourself the whole year as you're making payments. It'll go up. For me, I'll tell you, I did it for 12 months. I made a payment of $150 every month to myself. Now, at the end of the year, I got all the money back. I got the whole chunk back. I had a credit card that was a limit of over $1,500 because I kept increasing the limit. My credit report kept going up when I kept doing it. That's how you increase your credit, the whole front. Now, what I do at the end of the year, I close the account. I closed the whole account, got my huge check back, right? My credit card's at 0, let that one go, and I went and applied for the 3 best credit cards out there in the world. You can get these credit cards. Some have annual fees, some don't. I'm going to show you right now. The Walmart Capital One card is a great card. I'm not against it. It is a MasterCard. It's not a Visa. Naturally, you want Visa because Visa is accepted everywhere, even internationally. Now, and I know you think MasterCard is too, but not to that point. I tell you can't use MasterCard credit cards at Costco. What does that tell you? Costco has the best credit card, no annual fee, no foreign transaction fees, and it gets you 4% back every time you shop, not only at that store, but any gas station in the world. And that's at Citibank Visa. No foreign transaction fees, guys. And for a lot of us apes, we're going to be traveling the world. We want to have the right credit card. That Chase Sapphire card, yeah, it's the best in the world. Period. I don't care what you tell me. I don't care if there's the black card, the other platinum cards, whatever, Amex. People love Amex. People love all the, no, I'm telling you, that card's the best, but it costs money. So I can go either way with this. You can take the starter cards, which are your Open Sky Visa and or the Self, or when you're more established and get your credit done, that's where you're at. Now, how do you get your credit score up, guys? Let's just say you have things on there from 5 years ago, 7 years ago. Go into those apps, the Credit Karma app, the Experian app, and dispute the charges. Certainly right now, medical falls off right now. It's been amazing. And when you go in there and you dispute it, other things that you might have forgotten about or they forgot about, they have 30 days to get back to you. Just hit dispute. You never know. You're not going to lose anything. You've gone this long with bad credit. Fix your credit. These are small steps that you can do to increase your credit score. Guys, run back the tape. Listen to it again and learn how it works. These are the apps you want. Self, Experian Boost. You want those two for sure. These are the credit cards you want to start with. And I tell you what, when you're all said and done and your credit score goes up 50 to 100 points to 150 points, quick, fast and easy, come on back and thank the channel. Other than that, guys, have a great weekend. All you apes out there, get your credit right before this MOAS hits. I'm telling you guys, you're going to want to buy houses. You're going to be, I know we're all buying stuff cash. I get it. Now, just prepare yourself for the best, guys. I love everybody. Have a great weekend. I'm going to be out partying. I'll see you guys on Monday. You know what it is. Marantz Rants on YouTube. I'll see you around, millionaires. You know, GameStop can't stop, won't stop, but I'll see you around. Take care, guys.